Related with Treasury Department, the Fidelity Guarantee Insurance Policy is issued in the name of Answer A. Director of Treasuries. When there is an increase in the number of posts in any of the category related with Fidelity Guarantee Insurance Policy related with Treasuries, the fact shall be intimated to the State Insurance Department, days of the date of appointment to the post. Answer A. Within 15 days. The form of cash book used in a treasury is in form. Answer A. TR7A. Register of undisbursed pay is in form. Answer B. TR22. A government servant who receives any money on behalf of government shall give the pair a receipt in form. Answer A. TR5. Form TR6 is issued for the purpose of Answer A. When a check is received. Treasurer of charitable endowment only on receipt of requisition from the administrators for amount required for immediate disbursement, and it will not be necessary to credit the amount again to government account. The amount shall be credited to account. Answer A. Personal deposit account of the treasurer. Amount required for payment of scholarship will be paid in advance in installments. Answer A. 2 installments. In case the original receipt granted for money received has been lost, further action is Answer D. Issue a certificate of remittance after charging prescribed fee. A statement or memorandum submitted for every payment into treasuries containing all particulars of remittance is called Answer B. Challan. The form of challan is Answer C. TR12. When a payment to the government is to be credited partly to one head of account and partly to another, the challan to be presented is Answer A. Separate challan for each head of account. The original copy of the challan after accepting the remittance by treasury or bank is issued to whom? Answer B. To the remitter. The remittance register which was maintained at Public Works Department is in form. Answer A. TR15. The challans relating to each subsidiary register shall be numbered in a consecutive series. Answer B. Monthly. Central Treasury means and includes Answer A. Treasury or sub-treasury not being a treasury or sub-treasury under the control of a state. Earnest money deposit made by intending tenders of the Forest Department should be credited as Answer A. Revenue deposit. The term anamat related with Answer C. A village remittance which is received when the treasury is not open for transaction. The register of Anamad balance is in DAS form. Answer A. TR 19. Register of Consolidated Receipt cum Schedule for Forest Cash Remittances is in form. Answer A. TA 11. Register of Receipt is in form number. Answer A. TA 1. When the fees of a number of candidates for a government examination are paid into the treasury in lump, the receipt shall be given in dash way. Answer C. A single receipt for the lump sum as a whole. The contents of the currency chest of treasury is the property of. Answer B. Reserve Bank of India. Every strong room of treasury should be inspected by the executive engineer, PWD. Answer A. Annually. The register of currency chest slip is. Answer B. TR 38.